Wow. You look so strong when you do that. Is that because you're eating your chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead and eat another one, and then let's see how big your muscles get.
No. Hold on.
Now let me see your muscles.
Wait.
Oh yeah, you have to eat it first. Okay, now let me see your muscles. Holy moly! Whoa! Those are some big muscles. Wow! I can't believe how strong you are now. That's because you eat your food, right?
Yeah, I'm a big boy.
Yeah,
Watch,
you sure?
I eat yellow bite.
Oh. Look at Maddox all beat up looking. Crazy animal. Scarface, we call him. Yeah, we call him Scarface.
Oh, right.
And ketchup face.
Oh,
Look at little skinny Nicholas.
I'm skinny.
Little skinny Nicholas.
Let me see it. I see it.
Okay. Wait. You gotta turn it off.